Hello friends, do you know that in India more than 95% of the people have financial problems? Yes, I am your law of attraction coach Magical Mohit and I have come up with 30 days advanced prosperity workshop. This workshop is for three types of people. First, the people who want to attract their dream job, people who are jobless right now and people who are not happy with their job. For them, I am going to teach you how to attract your dream job. The second kind of person are person who are a business owner, people who are running their business but they are not happy with their current goals. They are not able to achieve their annual goals. I am going to teach you how to attract your monthly goals and annual goals with the help of law of attraction practices. And the third kind of people are people who want to have multiple source of income, people who want to start their new business but they don't know what to do, how to do, people who want to find their passion and build a business out of it, people who want to become financially free. So if you are any of these three kind of person, this workshop is the best for you. Along with this workshop, I am going to give you one free phone counseling where I will talk to you personally and understand which category of person are you and what are your financial goals, and I will help you to achieve your financial goals in the next 30 days time period. We are going to do a lot of fun practices. We are going to play prosperity game. I am going to teach you how to increase your financial experiences and how to attract more money in your life through different activities. So you are going to learn 9 money rules, 7 actions to take, and how to increase your money power. So all the best guys. If you are ready, if you are excited, if you have big dreams, then message me today and I am going to share with you all the details of this workshop. This workshop can be attended by those people who have already done my 31 days magic workshop. So all the best guys and have a super duper magical day. Remember, dream big, achieve big. Thank you so much.